I'm Damion.
And I'm Quanda, and we just got done experiencing the world's largest cruise ship,
Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas.
If you want to see what we experienced on the 7-night inaugural sailing,
keep on watching.
Well, guys, we're going on Carnival. AJ, the Carnival ship is right here. What are you doing? You don't want to go on Carnival? So we should go back home. Okay, we go on this one, MSC. No? Like that one. What about Norwegian?
Really going on? What ship are we really going on? Daddy, what ship are we really?
We're going on the Icon.
Yay! It's the best day of my life.
We'll see you guys on board. Tonight.
All right.
Everybody ready?
Yes. Sir. Go.
I'm ready.
I'm glad I didn't open it.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Go.
Yeah, you can go.
Exciting.
Yeah. Y'all have a good week.
Have a great week.
You gotta pull it. Oh, it's another door?
Huh?
What? Why is it two doors? What is this?
Oh my, Carson! There's a TV right there. Mom, this is the best. This is the best room ever. Look, Mommy, look.
We got pink and greens. Ah, we got a towel! And puzzles!
It's the kids.
Towels and puzzles. Who sent this Moet?
That's for you
Who
too.
sent this?
Oh
What
my
does
gosh.
it say?
Something dropped. Oh, something.
Hold on.
Something dropped again. Oh.
Oh
We
my
got
gosh.
champagne. Let's see.
Special delivery.
To Kaisley.
To Kate.
From Thick Meat of the Sea.
Oh.
I wonder who said that.
Oh,
Thank you for everything you've done.
Oh.
Only one set of people can say that.
Travels free.
Travels-free.
Love
Thank
you
you,
guys.
Travels-free.
Thank you.
Oh my god, this is awesome.
Macaroonies and Moet.
Macaroon
We
is
finna be sipping.
We be sipping.
Okay, we're looking at this room, and we did a tour
Well, it was a rush tour.
on the shakedown. Yeah, it was very rushed tour. There's a lady in here, but
Where do I put this?
official room
Wait,
tour
Katie.
coming soon if it's not already out. That's it. That's it.
Wash your hands,
Wash your
hands, wash your hands, wash your hands,
Hey, hey.
wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands.
It's time for muster. First, we gotta get a drinky drink.
First drink of the day.
Muster station is complete. With the drink in hand. On to the next. After muster, you must get the kids registered for the adventure. Wow. Wow. Yes.
So I just need your seat. Do you have your seat, Pascal, with you? Make everybody hear.
That's what you want to do? Do you take medications? Are you allergic? Any food allergies? Any special needs? Any food allergies? Games back here. The arena. Yes? Huh?
There's everything.
Cause I'm so shady and I'm real shady. So you want some shady, just a moment. So want the real so shady, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up.
We got our Sorrentos after Adventure Ocean check-in and hanging with some of our friends. Now we're heading back to the stateroom and take a little nap. And then we'll come back out.
Many hours later.